Bitcoin. Bathhouse Spa in Brooklyn uses a lot of heat for its saunas, steam rooms, and pools. Like most spas, that means they use a ton of energy, but Bathhouse has found a creative way to get double the usage from the same energy: Bitcoin mining.
There's a ton of electricity in here, and you can stick your hand right in it, and you will not get shocked.
So how does it work? Bitcoin mining is the process that verifies transactions on the blockchain. Mining uses special computers that solve mathematical puzzles to verify the transactions. It's really techy, but the important thing to know is that this computing creates tons of excess heat. Instead of using air to cool their computers like most Bitcoin mines, Bathhouse uses submersion cooling. So while cooling their computers, they're also heating their spas.
The computers are cooled with mineral oil that's safe for electronics. Cold oil comes from the bottom of the tank and cools the computers. Hot oil is pumped out from the top. The hot oil then runs next to cool water separated by a very thin metal plate. The oil heats the water and the water cools the oil. The hot water goes to the pools and the cool oil goes back to the computers.
We need heat. We heat pools, we heat saunas. We have to buy energy and we have to convert into heat.
Their mining generates all the heat they need and, of course, Bitcoin, which is valuable and has been on a bull run again, getting more valuable. But they're not actually cashing it out.
No, we're holding it. We have a very healthy business. We don't need the Bitcoin. We do it for a few reasons. One is that we want to be energy efficient. Two, we believe in the Bitcoin network. And three, it was like kind of a fun, cool engineering project, something to nerd out about.
Jason told me they generate about 1 Bitcoin a year with their current mining setup that they've had for 2 years. At current market price, those 2 Bitcoin are worth about $80,000. It seems like a great idea for anyone that needs heat. So what's the downside?
The downside would be that it was redundant. So there was a capital cost because I already had pool heaters.
Even with the cost of switching from an existing heating system, mining Bitcoin can be worth a hell of a lot of money. And while there is financial gain from mining, that's not what Bathhouse is focused on.
We're not trying here at Bathhouse to mine the most amount of Bitcoin possible. We're a Bathhouse.